Tonight, the rain chances are going to slowly go up, but that's really going to happen, I think, right around 11 p.m. and thereafter. And then tomorrow morning's ride into work will be a wet one, and also the ride home from work will be a very wet one as well. We'll have downpours and heavy thunderstorms around, and even Saturday now looks like we're going to have some showers around, especially in the afternoon, and those at night could even turn over to some snow showers as colder air works its way in. I know I'm talking about snow as we start the month of April. Area of low pressure and the cold front, the culprit for all this, and the reason why we're seeing all these strong showers and thunderstorms to our west. But right now, high pressure still really in control of our weather. So giving us a very gusty breeze out of the south and west, starting to see the clouds rotate in from this approaching system. And I do think the Futurecast will show you that by 11 o'clock tonight, there could be some showers around, especially the farther north and west you are. And thereafter, some showers are going to fill in through the overnight hours. And by Friday morning, this is tomorrow morning, there could be some showers and even some thunderstorms. I think the greatest concentration may actually be in southeastern Mass, at least for that first round of shower activity coming on through. The other thing coming with it is some wind. You've definitely noticed that wind today, I'm sure. Look at this wind gust up to about 56 miles an hour now in Plymouth, 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Boston. So we have very strong winds out there, and they're not going to really back off all that much. In fact, earlier today, we picked up wind gusts as high as 62 miles an hour in Duxbury and Brookline, 58-mile-per-hour winds, and that's why those tree limbs can come down, the power lines can come down, and also I saw a lot of trash cans being blown around today as well. Now, as we go through the forecast and step you through the next 12 hours, notice the winds are with us, and rain enters the forecast in Boston as early as midnight tonight, and thereafter, those winds will be blowing anywhere from 20 to even 30 miles an hour for the day tomorrow. Temperatures right now, because of that southwest wind, though, are very mild in the 70s and 60s and will stay in the 50s overnight tonight. So it's a mild start to the day, and tomorrow we warm up again into the 60s. Pretty much the mid to upper 60s in most locations. So let's step you through tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. 5 o'clock in the morning, here we go. By 8 o'clock, notice the showers and thunderstorms south of Boston, basically southeastern Mass. But watch what happens. About lunchtime, here we go. Some more lines fire up. And then by 3 o'clock, they're kind of sitting and parking over basically the Mass Pike and north of it. And in fact, we could see downpours and thunderstorms likely. A ½ inch to an inch of rain looks likely, and it looks like all of this will taper off mainly after 8 p.m. So that ride home from work will also be a wet one, and thereafter we start to clear out just a touch. Again, the main impacts: heavy rain, gusty winds, and thunderstorms from this one. The next 7 days look like this. We are going to see those temperatures start to drop off. Saturday is going to be an interesting day. We could see another surge of some rain actually Saturday afternoon, but it's going to be an impulse coming through overnight that brings down really cold air, and we could even see that flip over to some snow showers overnight into first thing Sunday morning. Doesn't look like much in the way of accumulation, but something to watch out for Sunday morning. We are going to usher in very cold air over the weekend, and then we're watching another system potentially for Monday.